All right, traders, today is December 8th, 2023. My name is John Kerrigan. It's 4 p.m. market close. We're going to do the market wrap up. All right, let's take this down. Let's look at some charts. Let's take this down. Let's move this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. Hey, let's blow this up. Here's a daily candle. All right, so what do we have here? We had a day with a higher low and a higher high. Market's moving up. How did we know this was going to move up? Let me show you. Traders in the room know about price action. Okay? And when they see ascending wicks right here, I'm going to go through it. And they see these ascending tails. There's one. There's one. See the market winding up? There's one. See, every time market comes down, buyers buy it up. See one? There's the ascending tail pattern. And where did the market go? That's right, up to the upside. All right, so this is what I teach the traders in my room. Right here. Ascending tail pattern, look for this. All right, so now let's take that off. Let's go back to the daily chart, get down to business. All right. SPY still in an uptrend. Here's the last high. Here's the new high. Higher high. So it's in an uptrend. Where is price going? Well, here's the other channel. So I've got a hunch price is going to come up here to 462.70, 462.50. Maybe spike it. Maybe get on top of it. I don't even know. All right. And I think it's going to deal with that. That's going to be some resistance because that's diagonal resistance. All right. Not all resistance is horizontal. Sometimes it's diagonal. That's diagonal resistance up there. And they'll probably have to hang out there if they expect to go over it. All right. So that's what we're looking at. This will probably slow them down for a little bit. All right. And then from there, I'm expecting a Fibonacci pullback. It doesn't mean I'm going to get it, all right? I'm just saying I'm expecting it to happen. It's been a long time since we've had a Fibonacci pullback, and we're way overdue, all right? Notice the price action. We didn't put in any consolidation. We got a 3-day consolidation there, but that's it. Now, we did put in this. This is consolidation here. But we start getting below these tails at the bottom. There's nothing below to catch us. All right? So be careful when this thing starts melting down, if it does, and when it does. All right? Below this 453.34 area. All right? So for right now, market's still bullish. Still moving up. I think we're due for a pullback, so I do have some puts, but they are 7 days out and 14 days out. So I'm giving them plenty of time to do what they need to do before they start to pull back. So there's SPY. Let's go take a look at QQQ. QQQ doing the same thing, all right? Now SPY today, let me just tell you, SPY made new yearly high today. Isn't that awesome? SPY makes a new yearly high. Now, QQQ, they already made their yearly high about a week ago. Okay, see it right there? That was the yearly high, and now they got above it. Now, I don't know if that's the all-time. I'm pretty sure that's not the all-time. No, there's still a little bit more work to do. But there's the all-time high for the year. So QQQ makes a new all-time high for the year right there. All right, in today's price action, what do we see? You actually see ascending tails. If you look at this, every candle, the body's making a higher low. See that? See, that's a clue. Market's bullish, stock's bullish, or this indice is bullish. That's what I look for in a bullish product. Is the body making higher lows and higher highs? That's my clue. What do we got here? We got a tail. What does that tell you? buyers stepped in there. Okay, see it gaps down, buyers stepped in. This one traded down and then gaps back up, buyers stepping in. Much in the same way they did in the SPY where I showed you. Okay, so here's price action for today, putting in a higher low and a higher high. QQQ also in an uptrend. All right, here's the last high, making a higher high. So just consolidating here at the higher high. Let's take a look at FNGU. Now we watch the FNGU because it's got some of the big heavyweights that are also in SPY and QQQ. And let me just say, SPY and QQQ do have some weighted stocks in them. Okay, so there's actually about 10 or 12 that can actually control the SPY and the QQQ. All right, so here we are with FNGU, and that actually is made up of 10 products. All right, only 10. I think, and they're equally sized too, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not positive. Okay, so here's the last high, making a higher high. Now FNGU puts in, thank you, T. All right, so FNGU put in a higher low, still has not made the higher high off from this low, but it has made a higher high from this high right there. Okay, so FNGU in a daily uptrend. What does the candle look like? Same as QQQ. See that? Higher low, higher high. Back up into a resistance area. You can see sellers were up here before. So they're approaching that resistance area on Monday. We'll see how they do. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM. Now IWM's different than the others because the others just shot up. All right. Whereas IWM, look what they did. They put in the consolidation foundation. See that? Right there. There's the higher low. There's the consolidation right there. Then the breakout. Okay, so that looks much different than QQQ, FNGU, and SPY. The other ones go straight up and then over. They don't have anything to catch them underneath, but the small caps were smart. They put in steps and floors to catch them should they fall off the ceiling. So what do we got here? Here's a consolidation, breakout, and now they're consolidating again. All right, for today's price action, we got a higher low and a higher high. So nice work on IWM, holding yet again another bull flag. So this one moved up, bull flag over, breakout, bull flag over. See, that's what you want. That consolidation where price action has something to come back to. Not only that, it helps to give you something to hang your stop on. You know, I want to put it right underneath this flag right there, because if they break that, I don't want to be in it anymore. You see what I'm saying? That makes it nice and easy to trade when they do that. Diamond Dow. Here's Diamond Dow. See that? Straight up, followed the 3 EMA the whole way. No floor put in. Notice that? See, they didn't do the right stuff. But they went straight up and the bull flag consolidating over here. So there's Diamond Dow. So there won't be anything to really catch them if they fall. And that's not a good thing. All right, so here's a bull flag, consolidate over to the right. Today's price action puts in a higher low and a higher high. Nice work. Still in the bull flag for Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at our transports. Here's the transports going up, consolidating, going up, consolidating, going up, and consolidating. Transports, higher low, higher high. In an uptrend, here's the last high, making a higher high. Let's take a look at SMH. That's our semiconductors. Here's the high, makes a higher high, puts it in an uptrend. Notice nothing below here, big void, it could fall down. All right, so SMH putting in a higher low, still has to make the higher high. So whenever I see a higher low, there's pressure on the bulls to do what? Make the higher high right there. So there's SMH in an uptrend, last high, new high is higher, puts it in an uptrend. Today's candle, higher low, higher high. Nice work on SMH. XLF, let's look at our financials. All right, so here we are. There's the last high. We're making higher highs, so we're in an uptrend. Notice price action following the 3 EMA here. Just riding right along. Now it's in like a bull flag consolidation here. Price action for today. Higher low, higher high. All right, so nice work on the XLF. USO. All right, so here's some crude oil. Crude oil. Nice work on crude oil coming back into the 3/8 trap. So higher low, higher high, but still in a downtrend. We've got lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows on the daily chart. So this is in a daily downtrend. UNG, kind of doing the same thing. UNG making higher lows, lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend here. Notice UNG is stuck on the $5 level, just hanging out here. UNG puts in a lower high and a higher low. So just another doji day, basically, for UNG. Didn't get anywhere. Silver. Silver had a nice pullback today. Picked up some more silver. So there's silver into the minor support area. See the wicks and the tails, the red candles, the bearish reversals. That's our minor support right there. So silver pulling back to the minor support, giving us a nice buy setup. So there's silver on the daily chart. Higher low, higher high. Nice work on silver. Now we just need them to make another higher low here and come back up and consolidate. That's what we need for silver. Silver's in an uptrend. Gold. Gold doing the same thing. Gold rallying up, pulling back, making a higher low, then producing a higher high. Now just consolidating. It was consolidating over 187, and today's candle was a doji candle with a lower high and a lower low. So that's it for the markets for today. I want to wish everybody a wonderful weekend. Thank you for being here. A lot of traders made profit today for being in the room. Just saying, if you haven't got a trial, think about it. All right? So everybody have a wonderful evening and a great weekend. We'll see you all on Monday.